Hey everybody, my face is dark, but that's okay. This is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Rome, Italy, and I'm at the Pantheon. And this is a down and dirty, so I'm hoping to do it in under 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'll take a look. Wow, wow, wow. So, let's talk about this really quickly. I got George Michael in my ear, The Strangest Things. But this is the Pantheon, and there's usually a line for it, but it was the largest dome building, the largest in the whole entire world for many, many, many years, until like 1885 or 89 or something silly like that. But it's amazing. It's got the largest doors in Italy or something, but there's always a line. I used to get in here all the time for free and never had to pay a dime, but that is not the case anymore. Now you have to go in and pay 10 bucks or something to see inside, which is terrible because it's got, pardon me, it's got the obelisk inside, or the, not obelisk, the, what's the hole in the ceiling? Wow. And you can see the line to get in. It's pretty crazy. Everything's under construction for the Jubilee, but wow. Wow, wow. And you can see the doors over there, and you can see the line here. It's absolutely goofy. It's like 45 minutes out in the hot sun. It's just better to come here at 7 in the morning and get in. Let's get back a little bit so we can see the whole thing. Wow. Is that amazing? Anyway, the Pantheon, Rome. Down and dirty, Eric Clark Travel Videos. Simple and easy video, just to give you a flavor of what it is and what it's about. That's it. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. I gotta go. Bye-bye.